Hi guys, Kandi Blaze here with Kandi's Rods and Customs at 1722 Claremont Avenue in the beautiful heart of downtown Ashland. Well, I hope your Christmas was as good as ours. Team Kandi held the annual Kandi's Christmas party at the Caddy Shack, and we had live music and a benefit for St. Jude's Children's Research Hospital, and I am super happy to announce that we raised $700, you guys, $700 for the babies. All right, here we go. You guys ready for this? Woo! Right, that's like some quick movement there. All right, so here's the deal on today's video. I'm gonna take you through just a section of the shop today because there's so many vehicles in here right now and so much cool stuff that I don't wanna overwhelm you guys. So we're gonna start with a couple things like, I don't know, actually let's go back over here, guys. There's just so much going on. I'm gonna take you in like 20 different directions. This is something you guys haven't got to see in our last few feeds. Do you know what that is? That is the frame for the 1967 Corvette that we are finally putting on the rotisserie. What's a rotisserie? Okay guys, this is a 1957 Chevy, an original Tri-5 post car being made into an incredible Pro Tour Mod Resto build, and it's on a rotisserie. It's sideways on a rotisserie. Like a rotisserie is like what you put a chicken on and rotate it 360 degrees. So now if that's the frame for the 67 Corvette, where's the 67 Corvette? Yeah, it's taller than me right now, guys. Oh my goodness. So, whew, gotta watch my stuff in here. We have to do everything just right. You guys know me. I am one of the most meticulous people about this type of stuff. So what have we done? Okay. Fiberglass, like, whoo, move that. Okay, are you still with me? Fiberglass is a whole other level compared to metal work. So when you put fiberglass up here like this, you have to brace it. Now, obviously you have to brace the metal body too, but with fiberglass comes a lot of other things that you don't have with metal. It wants to bend, it wants to warp, it wants to do all sorts of crazy stuff. And it doesn't matter whether it's a body from a 1967 Corvette or if it's a brand new kit car with the fiberglass body. Either way, we have to make sure that there are proper braces, there we go guys, and everything in here to make sure that that body doesn't flex. Now that we've got it pulled off the frame and we're putting all those braces and everything in to make sure we don't get any of that movement and flex, the next step is to get it onto the rotisserie. Now we have two different rotisseries here at Kandi's Rods and Customs. We have the refinishing rotisserie, which is what the 57 Chevy is currently on because it's in the primer stages. And then we have the working rotisserie. Well, that's the rotisserie that gets a little bit more of abuse to it. And that's what we put it on to finish up the work on there before it goes into primer and paint. Yeah, I'm really excited about that Corvette going on the rotisserie, guys. That's a lot of excitement there. 67 Corvette. Woo. Okay. 1932 original 5-window Henry Ford steel body. Okay. Oh, guys, look at that. Want to see some dirty? Yeah. All right. That's why we don't wear good clothes back here. All right. This is one heck of a street rod behind me, and she's got a name. Her name's Penny Lane. And I got a feeling that the custom paint job that's gonna go on it's gonna reflect her name too. So our gal, actually she's my assistant shop foreman, her name is Chevy Cheyenne. She's been one of the lead metal builders on this beautiful piece of American history here. Now you're probably going, hey, that's not original Henry Ford right there. Okay, that's not original Henry Ford, but you know what is? The cab, the wood inside the cab. Now we've had to do some custom metal work in the floor because the frame's not the original frame. It's going into a street rod versus the original car. But this is all original metal. The original 1932 steel. Henry Ford steel, guys. This is American history at its finest for automobiles. I am so in love with this car. And we put a lot of metal work into it and we're not done. So you guys definitely gotta stay tuned to that. So much more is coming. What's this? A piece of beautiful muscle machinery is what this is. 1969 Camaro, you guys. Oh yeah. So we know that this didn't start off with the 427, but guess what it's gonna have in it when we're done? 427. Big black car now. So guys, you can see just from what I'm showing you, really isn't in too bad a shape. A lot of times we get these cars in and we start taking them down, and even the frame shop. The owner took really good care of this car because he knew someday the right shop was gonna come along that he trusted it with And here we are, and I'm so humbled to have this beautiful 1969 Camaro in here, and I can't wait to tell you guys, let me phrase that, I can't wait to show you guys what's gonna be happening to it. A lot of cool stuff on it. Now you guys know that we do a lot of Corvettes in here. It's not because Corvettes are my favorite car. Actually, that would be a 1960 Impala. However, we've got quite the reputation for Corvettes, whether it's the mechanical or the body. So here sits yet another Corvette in here at Kandi's to get some mechanical work on this one. Who knows? Maybe one day the owner will decide to give her a fresh paint job. Okay, so what have we talked about? We got the Vet, we got a 69 Camaro, we got a 32 Ford, we got the 67 Corvette up here that's getting ready to go on the rotisserie, the 57 over here. Oh, that's a lot, guys. You know we're just in a small section, right? Like I have like 18,000 square feet to walk through. Do we want to go? Yeah, let's do it. Okay, woo. So we have the cold storage area. What's cold storage? It's cold, it's storage. It's where we don't work out of. But it's also where we get to pull your vehicle in when it's really crappy out and do the estimate in it. So my cold storage area right now has like, oh, Dirty Gertie, my plow truck, the atomic fireball, things like that. Because it's all out there. We live in Ohio. I can't take the Nova out in that, guys. But having the cold storage area enables me to have all this wonderful space to house those items, including my own enclosed trailer, which is really nice for loading and unloading inside when it's snowy out. Okay, you ready for some beautiful stuff? Slowly return, guys. Ready? Oh my gosh. Okay, so this is the main part of the shop. That's a big lifted Chevy. Well, my mechanic, that's his truck actually, guys. And he's storing it in here right now because that's one of the perks of working for me is I give you one spot during the winter. So, a couple surprises behind me. I'm gonna tell you a little bit more on this one later. We are actually doing an estimate on this for a gentleman. And well, I hope I don't give him a heart attack, but he wants some body work, some rust repair, and some custom paint that actually would have flames and pearls in it. So anytime you go that meticulous with metal work and repairs and flames and pearls, it gets pretty expensive. Okay, do you guys want to see what's under here? Slowly. You guess what that is? You're a car guy or gal, I bet you can guess that those fins belong to a Cadillac. Oh yes, a beautiful 1964 Cadillac at that. And that's all I'm telling you guys, ha! So just stay tuned to our website for that. And there'll be more, but I'm not telling you any more about it until then. Okay, right now in the back, whew, I'm a little out of breath, guys. That's a lot of room to walk. We got the 1966 GMC behind us. We're still on teardown on this. Teardown takes a while here at Kandi's because, well, I give my team members a 6-page list, double-sided, okay? They're not allowed to take anything off until they have it marked, have it bagged, have it tagged, have it inspected, have it checked, everything underneath the sun. I wanna know the condition it was in, I wanna know how they took it off, I wanna know how it was underneath, everything. My team actually probably hates me during teardown, but a lot of these vehicles take a year and a half, 2 years, sometimes more if you're going really above and beyond. And well, when you have things sitting around in bags and boxes for that long, you want to make sure you have your I's dotted and your T's crossed, because otherwise you might misplace something or forget that you had it or didn't have it. So by utilizing a checklist like that, yeah, it gets a little insane. Maybe it is overkill, but wouldn't you guys rather have a little bit of overkill and know that it was done right? I know I would. Okay, we're almost done with this video, I swear. I am so full in my pinstripe room. You guys been paying attention to that Kandi's Rosin Custom? That's because Kandi's merch is in, guys. Our website has officially been launched, www.kandiscustoms.com, and we now have official merchandise. T-shirts for men, V-necks for the ladies, cut a little more feminine stuff. Shh, don't look at my mess up there. And guys, we're back in the lobby. We have, did I mention that we have hoodies? And here is the back design. Can you see her? There's my devil girl, I'm so excited. If I was a cartoon character, that would be me. All right, guys. Anyway, there's so much going on here at Kandi's, and there's so much coming up as well. The event list is huge. Our 2020 calendar is almost booked full already, guys. I'm so excited. You'll get to see us this year at the Detroit Autorama, Cleveland Autorama, and pretty much everything in between. Wow. If you're looking to book us up, make sure you give us a call or visit us at www.kandyscustoms.com. Okay, I have talked your ears off long enough. I'm out of breath. It's Friday. I gotta go. Happy New Year, happy holidays, Merry Christmas, and everything in between from myself and the entire team here at Kandi's Customs. Have a great one, guys. Bye.